Alright guys, still by Big Time for the Bazaar. So this story, we want to talk about variables. So variables now they use to take hold information when we go use as our program or application they run. We they create them, then we'll go talk the kind of information where we want make this variable hold for us. Then as our program they run, whenever we need that particular information, we would set the variable to make them available for us so that we go use and do what we want to do. So how we go take create this variable for inside JavaScript now? This is what we go do. We go type var, the same, then we'll go type the name of the variable. So as I type var for here now, so I increase my this one as here. Well, as I type var for here now, so I think I'll put something like my name, or I think just put a name. You see, then when I finish, now go put semicolon. You get. So now this thing what I write here now, so now just variable now do declare for here now. So you see, so what we do now, we just declare the variable. We never tell her make he hold any information for us. So before we tell her make he hold any information for us, at least we still need to know the type of information where our variable go fit hold for us. So the type of information be like say if variable fit hold for us now, there plenty where you get. There many. If you hold integer values like the age of somebody now, like 34 years or 40 years, you get like that. If you hold down for us, if you see hold double value like the price or something, you know when you go shop price, you see their price, they go put something like maybe 58 point or might say 500.78, all those kind of things then, or those fractions there. If you hold like that for us, then if you see all string value now like person name, like maybe a boss, something like that, if he holds that kind of value for us, then if you see hold boolean value for us, when we just either true or false, we'll talk more on all those ones later as we develop like that, they go for inside this course. Then you still get other stuffs like that where go for us, but based on the applications all we go to create as we go, we go to review them small, more not to rush like that. So now what I do for here now, I just create the name of I just create a variable, you get. I never give them what he go hold for me now. So what I go do, I'll come here and I go initialize the variable. To initialize and I'll just put equals to, you get to equals to, then I go say boss. So now this one what I do like this now, so now string now be this now. Now person in a string. And what make can be string because I dey use double quotes now. Say they wrap the word for here. You get. So this variable now, the name of the variable now, I just name. Or I feel change that to person. You see I feel give the name of the variable person. So what you do, you type var first. You see you type var first, then you give the name of that variable, which is person now. Then you can assign the value where you want make this variable hold for you, and the value where they assign and now be this boss. So then a string variable now based on say we use double quotes now till they wrap the word. I know if you come here now, I could do something like this now. You see could do something like this now. It not go work. It not go work. You know why? Because this one originally I feel be another variable, but will not initialize anything like this for here. And to prove I'll come here and I'll just say console.log. We'll see. So now when I say console.log, I'll carry this person, I'll put on here. In fact, I'll comment this one out first. You see so person, of course, if we print and I say boss go print come aside. So more run first, more see. I'll come my browser, I go right click, I'll click on this inspect. So when I click on this inspect now, this console for here, one will run, it could show for here. So now I refresh. You see they show boss now, they show boss. So, and because boss there, but I comment this one out, Then more run this one more so that I go see show Akpos. If I refresh the same, it show say Akpos is not defined. Why? Because this Akpos now not be valid information what we assign here now. You get it not be valid. But if I come here now, I put it like 34. If I put it like 34 now, I save and I go back. If I run now, you see I say 34. It is show for here for me. You get I feel put 34.5. If I go back, run now, you see I say 34.5. It is show for me. I'll comment this one out. I'll put this one back. You know, so I say this one has string based on say I put double quotes. I feel still wrap enough for single quotes like this. Or I say where I feel wrap enough for single quotes like this. So if I come back refresh, you see I say it show Akpewe for me. They say they show Akpewe for me. So if you create your string variable now, put either double quote or put single quote. But when you do one, make sure say you know the mix and say maybe you can go use double quote start time, then use single quote end time, or maybe use single quote start time, then use a double quote end time. It go throw error for you. The thing not go work. You see, invalid or unexpected token. See, not the work now. So may you take note of that one. You get. So that a variable for you now. So we take the create variable now for inside the JavaScript. And as you create the variable, you need to take note of something. All these variables you create now, so the way you take the write the name, it matter a lot. The way you take the write the name matter a lot. Your variable name now, if you start with number, you know if you can put 4 person. You see, I know if you can put 4 person. If you go back, go run and you see and say, it not go work. You see, it not the work. But if you come here now, go put, if you come here, put person 4. If you end up with number now, the thing supposed to work. So more try and more see. Let's see where the error there now. Okay, I'm not right and where yet to run now. So if I go back now, you see and say they show the thing where for me. You get. So just like that, and also we take the declare the variable now for inside JavaScript. You know if you use special character safety start and 2, you know if you just put minus for here, it not go work. You know if you put times for here, it not go work. So just put name where be like say it makes sense. You get name where makes sense. Now you go put now if you declare your variable. So this kind of now if you just put price. If you put price. And if I put price now you see and say it makes sense to what I they do for inside this place. You get. So now so it just be. Now so it just be. So the importance of this variable now be say they use them so that we know it go make our code now they smooth in the sense that if you come here now say maybe I want type of kind of long sentence and this person name now maybe this person name Emeka, it go appear like 5 times for inside the sentence now. You get. That is for the particular code. Maybe this name go appear like 5 times now. It not go make me say because Emeka is a boy. I put full stop because say Emeka don't finish school. You see I can come again. Emeka na Christian. You see, one of the advantages of variable be say, if we declare the variable once, now for top here, say maybe we already declare them as a name. What do I'll just do? All these people would say Emeka now so here. Now just to put name for inside. You see, now just to put name for inside. Then whenever we change Emeka name now to maybe Toshuku, you see and say everything for here now, it will call automatically change to Shuku. No worry, as we do this course ago now, we're going to see the importance of using variables. So now I will go end this one. I go see you now for the next story. I'll see you later from Double South now, Big Tank, and you know the being. Like the video, subscribe. If you're not clear, ask questions inside the comment section and I go try to reply you. So see you for the next video. Thank you.